Did you know AI could soon transform the way you receive healthcare, saving not just time but potentially lives? Let's dive into whether AI automation can genuinely revolutionize patient care by 2025. Welcome to AI MedX Revolution. In today's video, we'll explore how artificial intelligence and healthcare automation could reshape patient care faster than you think. From personalized treatments to predictive analytics, let's find out what the future holds. AI in healthcare isn't science fiction, it's here right now. Hospitals already use AI-driven tools to boost diagnostic accuracy, catching diseases early and saving lives. AI-powered chatbots streamline administrative tasks, allowing healthcare providers to spend more time face-to-face with patients. Meanwhile, predictive analytics are improving patient safety, identifying risks, and enabling doctors to act before problems arise. Across the globe, AI-backed health tech and telemedicine are making healthcare accessible, efficient, and patient-centered. Clearly, the AI revolution has begun. But what could patient care look like by 2025? Imagine AI-powered assistants guiding surgeons, reducing errors and enhancing recovery outcomes. Picture AI algorithms analyzing your medical history, instantly creating tailored, personalized treatment plans. Consider virtual health assistants available around the clock, monitoring your well-being and providing real-time health alerts. In this scenario, operational efficiency skyrockets, wait times shrink, and patients experience safer, more effective care. Yet this future isn't without challenges. As AI grows smarter, ethical questions around AI ethics and data privacy become crucial. Can we trust AI with sensitive patient data? Will automation displace jobs, or will it empower healthcare professionals to focus more on empathy-driven patient care? Addressing these challenges requires transparency, thoughtful policy, and active collaboration between doctors, AI developers, and patients. So, can AI automation truly transform patient care by 2025? It's already underway, but lasting success depends on how responsibly we implement AI. By combining human compassion with technological power, healthcare can achieve unprecedented levels of efficiency, safety, and personalized care. The journey won't be easy, but the potential rewards for patients, providers, and society are immense. If you enjoyed this deep dive into AI healthcare, subscribe now to AI MedX Revolution, your trusted source for the future of medicine. Let us know in the comments. Do you believe AI will transform patient care by 2025? And check out our other exciting videos on digital health and AI innovation.